Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and this video is brought to you by Fair and Up. We're here in the fabulous YouTube space in LA, and we have the fabulous Jasmine of Get Caked, who's gonna make amazing superheroes. Okay, seriously, Hulk smash, right? That's what we have here.
That's what we're doing right now. We're gonna make a big pancake for this guy, okay?
Okay, sweet. I can't wait to see it. This is the hungry pancake, right?
Yes, exactly. So we're gonna make it big, we're gonna make it delicious, and you're gonna eat this one.
Okay, I promise I will.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna count you down. 3, 2,
Hulk smash!
That's so awesome.
I like him a lot.
He looks really angry.
He does. He looks like
hangry.
I don't know if I actually want to eat him.
Yeah.
He may just haunt me in my nightmares.
Yeah,
tonight.
yeah.
If I eat him,
Yeah,
it may
not
be a
gonna-
problem later on.
Not gonna sit well.
Might mess up my tummy.
Okay, so that's how you make amazing superhero pancakes. And
Out of this world.
out of
pancake.
this world pancakes, yes. And if you want to make them on your own, how do they do that?
You guys can actually buy your own pancake art kit, and you guys pre-order this from us at fairandup.us, or you guys can click the link in the notes below. And our pancake art kit's gonna come with bottles, the colors, some really cool videos. That way you guys can do it at home and have a really nice Sunday fun day with your family, friends, and make pancake art like a pro at home.
And if you do, hit us up on Twitter at Jerry James Stone or at GetCakedLA. We'd love to see your artwork. Plus, if you have pancake art making questions, they can ask you, I'm assuming, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Please feel free.
Awesome. Click that link. Thank you, Fair and Up. Thanks for watching, and thank you, YouTube, for letting us film here.
Thank you guys.
See you guys next time.
See ya.